spot. Just keep looking, guys. It's gonna get bad. You know, this is 100 miles away from the ocean, and a storm come through here with vengeance. You'll see. We haven't even got to the bad parts yet, really. This is Donaldsonville, Georgia. I'm just gonna pick a road and turn down it. I'll turn down the next one. Okay, let's go this way. It's pretty bad in these areas. Not even joking. Look at these trees. That's right, guys. I don't know if you can actually tell how bad it really is. I mean, the houses were actually lucky. Everybody was lucky through here. Did I run a stop sign? Very possible. I didn't see it. It must have got blowed down. Yeah, it's still been cleaned through here a little bit. We're just gonna take a right, see what it looks like over here on this road. Power lines down. Some of these people got electricity today, and some got electricity yesterday, but most of them, no electricity still. Yeah, this whole town's like this, on every street, pretty much. Pretty much every single street in town. I mean, they've cleaned up downtown pretty good, but you can still see the damage. But yeah, I mean, look at this. It's like a horror movie or something. And it's like this in Colquitt, Georgia too. And Mexico Beach, well, it's not really no Mexico Beach left. I mean, it wiped Mexico Beach out. It's like Hurricane Katrina hit Louisiana, but worse. But yeah, so I mean, you see it. Damage. Alright guys, thank you. Alright, let's turn down this road and see what it looks like. More shit. Have it down. Who would have thought there'd be more? Do you see it? Yeah, used to be a good looking town. Now it looks like a nuclear bomb went off. My ex-girlfriend lives somewhere right in here. Or did live. I think she don't no more. That's right, guys. It's like this everywhere. Ooh, they want a skid steer. That's what I need. That's what I'm getting Wednesday, hopefully. Me and my dad's got to talk about it. If I can get a skid steer, maybe I can help clean this place up and make a little bit of money doing it. I won't have to do this job that I'm doing right now that is killing me. I can't even hardly walk on my feet because of my job. Doing concrete work 10, 11 hours a day. Yeah, see, nuclear bomb went off here, obviously. No, this is that storm. This is Hurricane Michael, the aftermath, the devastation. So yeah, here you go, guys. This is what Donaldsonville, Georgia looks like. Lucky me, I moved from here a few years ago, and I moved about 30 miles away, and I moved pretty much to Dothan, so my town's kind of intact. You know, there's a few places that got hit pretty hard. We lost power, lost our fence, yeah, lost a little bit of stuff, but nothing like over here. Alright, I'm gonna go to another spot.